Welcome back to the channel, where we will dive into traditional Chinese medicine and holistic health. In today's video, we'll continue on treatments of excess yin or yang. As you might remember, yin represents the cooling, nourishing, and structural aspects of the body, while yang symbolizes heat, movement, and functional activity. When the balance between yin and yang is disrupted, illness follows. Excess yin treatment. When yin is in excess, cold, stagnation, fluid accumulation, the Nan Jing advocates dispersing or reducing the excess yin. Herb, dry ginger, cinnamon are prescribed to counteract excess cold and help disperse yin. Moxibustion, the application of moxibustion on point like stomach 36, kidney 1 can help invigorate yang and reduce yin. Excess yang treatment. When yang is excessive, heat, inflammation, fever, the Nan Jing suggests using cooling and draining techniques to bring down yang. Herb. Cooling herb such as zimu, huangqin are used to clear heat. Acupuncture points that reduce heat and excess yang, such as large intestine 11, Du 14, can be stimulated to cool the body. Next, I will share with you philosophical perspective of yin and yang. While TCM texts like Nan Jing focus on diagnosis and treatment, Zhuangzi, a renowned Chinese philosopher, expands the discussion of yin and yang to a broader context of harmony in life and nature. Zhuangzi emphasized living in alignment with natural forces, including yin and yang, to cultivate mental peace and spiritual fulfillment. He taught that true harmony arises when we stop actively pursuing answers and instead allow insights to arise naturally, embodying the flow of yin and yang in our lives. In his view, the true man or the perfect person is someone who moves through life effortlessly, accepting challenges without resistance or attachment. Stoic philosophy echoes the concept of yin and yang from Chinese philosophy. Both emphasize balance, harmony, and living in accordance with nature. Here's a story that reflects the synergy between Stoicism and Yin-Yang principle. Zeno of Citium, the founder of Stoicism, once stood by a river and observed its flowing waters. He remarked to his students, "Nature is like this river, always in motion, yet perfectly balanced." Zeno believed that to live in harmony with nature was to flow with it, neither resisting nor forcing one's way. This mirrors the Yin-Yang philosophy. The river represents both yin, the calm, still waters, and yang are rushing, powerful currents. Together, they form a dynamic balance, neither overpowering the other, but existing in a state of consistent change. Zeno taught that one should adapt to life's currents, much like the river's water does, always maintaining balance and composure, accepting both calm and turbulence as natural forces. In conclusion, whether through the post-diagnosis and herbal remedies of Nan Jing or the philosophical wisdom of Zeno and Zhuangzi, the message remains clear. Health and well-being come from a harmonious balance between yin and yang. When this balance is restored, health naturally follows. Let's do a matching question-answers exercise to test your understanding. Remember, yang deficiency and excess cold patients may have similar cold sensation. The difference is that if a group of people are walking outdoor in a cold environment and all are shivering, then it's excess cold. If someone is in a room with cold air condition, while everyone seems comfortable, one person feels cold, then that person is considered yang deficiency. Yes, symptoms of yin deficiency include hot flash, night sweat, irritable, hair loss, or gray hair. Example, menopause. That's correct. Yang deficiency symptoms include fatigue, low metabolism, caused water retention, and excess weight. Example, hypothyroidism. Great choice. Symptoms of yin excess, external cold include localized pain, especially in abdomen, that improves with warmth, a feeling of chill due to cold environment. Example, common cold. You're on a road. Correct again. Yang excess, external heat include thirsty, profuse sweating, red face. Example, heat stroke. Next, let's have some fun with matching solutions. Yes, that's correct. Solution for yin deficiency is mulberry fruit, goji berry, which tonify both kidney and liver, black sesame. These are all good for nourishing yin and maintain healthy hair, vision health. Yes, solution for yang deficiency include eat lamb, masturbation, which is burning over acupuncture points like stomach 36 or kidney 1 can help invigorate yang. You're right again. Solutions for yin excess, external cold, include drinking warm ginger tea. Yes. Solution for yang excess, external heat, include eating watermelon, drinking coconut water, and green bean soup. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share with someone who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. And let me know in the comments if there's a topic you'd like to explore in future video. See you in the next video.